My mama, my mother, my daughter. We have the beautiful waterfall over here. Anyways, we're having a girls' day, and today we're going to go to Target and TJ Maxx. Where else are we going to go? A little bit of everywhere. Look at my eyeshadow today. Looks pretty.
Your eyes look pretty.
I actually took the time to do it.
Looks pretty.
Thank you.
Surely did, huh?
Somebody's grouchy. What are you doing, Paris?
Nothing.
Oh yeah, here's the drinks.
Yum.
Yum. There's mine.
I have a sip of that.
You need a sip of it?
More of that goes in it.
This is a shot.
Oh.
Are you ladies ready to order? Yeah. Let's taste this.
Should it leave in half?
My mama
Look at
doesn't
me,
like for
Karen.
people to take her picture.
Please, pumpkin, look at me and smile.
Look. You want help yet?
No.
This is my favorite drink from Cheddar's. It's so good that you just want to drink it until you get a brain freeze. Oh, she's trying it. You try it every time I get it when I'm with you. You like it. You can't taste the alcohol in it. It's so good. It's like a treat.
You want a drink?
No, I don't think so. It's probably, what is that you can drink a whole gallon and you get drunk, but you can't taste it.
Tequila.
No.
You can taste tequila. Got the lemon pepper fish, their broccoli and cheddar casserole, and a baked potato. Paris, what'd you get? Cheeseburger with french fries. Mom?
Alfredo pasta with broccoli.
And not quit.
And you quit?
Yep.
Oh.
You quit what?
I'll split with her.
Oh.
I thought you said.
So we are at Ross right now. I was looking for some fall decor pieces and also some home decor pieces.
What about this?
I don't want a turkey right now. What is this?
Can you get this for me?
That's cool. Yeah, they got all kinds of cute little pink pumpkins. What? No, I don't need that.
No, for me.
That's so cute. For the front door. That's pretty. Okay, so now we are going to go into my apartment. I'm going to show you guys my home decor. This is fall and Halloween. I wanted to still celebrate Halloween because it's just September, but then after Halloween is over, I will actually put the rest of my fall decor out because I have so much fall decor. So this is going into my living room. I've got those 2 pumpkins over there on the cabinet underneath the TV. I got these pumpkins, I believe, from either TJ Maxx or Marshall's last year. A lot of my decor in my old apartment was a bunch of pink and whites. They still went with everything, so I decided to still use them. I also got a couple of new throw pillows and this rug just to kind of make it more cozy for the fall. This is my table arrangement. As you can see, I just did a bunch of little pumpkins. I was kind of lost as to what to do here, so I might change it later. Now we're walking into my kitchen, and those are my cute little hand towels that I got at Ross. And then I also got this candle at Ross, and those leaves were from the dollar section at Target. The little sign I got at Target last year, and that pumpkin I got at Big Lots. I'm so glad I live in a world where there are Octobers. This is just a little flower arrangement using flowers that I got at the Dollar Tree, and that little kitten, cat, whatever, came from the dollar section at Target as well. And my little pumpkins. I got that home sign from Kirkland's. It's not fall decor, but it still looks good with all of my little pumpkins and everything. I got those pumpkins right there on the counter from Ross. They were really affordable and so cute. Alright, you guys, so we are back from the mountains, and it is almost dinner time, so I'm about to start cooking dinner. Tonight I'm making one of my fall favorites, chili. So I've got my hamburger meat right here, and I just diced up an onion, and I'm about to saute the onion, and then I'm going to ground up my ground beef and add my chili powder seasoning, and I've got some garlic salt, some garlic powder, just a bunch of different seasonings I'm going to add in here and make the chili. So just stay tuned. So now that the onions are sauteed, I'm going to go ahead and add my hamburger meat. Whenever I'm cooking, I like to light a candle because it helps take away the smell of the food, like out of the house. So I just got this new candle from Ross, and it is called Pumpkin and Foliage. It smells just like fall, so I'm gonna light that, and it just kind of sets the mood while you're cooking. So now I've got my candle burning just to give it a little vibe. And in the living room, I've got A Nightmare Before Christmas playing. So now I'm going to mix in my McCormick chili mix. This just gives it the chili seasoning that it needs. You can use this or you don't have to. I also have some chili powder in here that I use that you can use instead of this, but it's whatever you prefer. But tonight I'm just going to use the McCormick chili powder. And I didn't drain my meat because there's not that much fat in it. And I like to keep my meat, or to keep my juice from the meat because it adds more flavor to it, I think. There really wasn't hardly any fat that came off of this anyway, so I'm just using what I had. Just mix that in real good. And next I'm going to add my diced tomatoes, some tomato sauce, and then I got some dark red kidney beans, and I also wanted to use the Great Northern beans, so you can use whatever beans you want to. It's kind of a meal that's pretty easy that you just throw in the pot, so I'm going to do that. I also like to add just a little bit of water to get the rest of this sauce out. Drain the juice that's on top. I don't know if you can see it or not, but anyways, I like to drain that off and kind of like rinse them a little bit. Okay, so next, while we're letting this kind of just simmer, I'm gonna go ahead and start making the cornbread, but tonight I'm just not making regular cornbread. I'm gonna make jalapeno cornbread. I just like a little bit of spice and it just gives it more flavor. So just watch how I make it. This is my first time making it. My brother Nathan, he always makes jalapeno cornbread and it's so good. And I kind of just was wanting it, so I'm gonna make that tonight instead of regular.
I'm calling, yeah, maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. All mine, yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my ladies and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Be with yeah, no one, yeah, but me, yeah, baby. To my thick chicks down in Texas, all the way to New Orleans where the girls cook catfish. And in LA, every chick's an actress. Hollywood status with the shaded glasses. To Detroit, yeah, the place that I rest, where the ladies got asses and la la sex. And
so I'm gonna use Earth Balance butter. It's vegan butter. And I'm going to butter my skillet. I'm using a cast iron skillet to make my cornbread in. I got this cast iron skillet for my mother. If you don't know about a cast iron skillet, it's really good to cook biscuits, and you can cook anything in it, but it's really good to cook cornbread and biscuits in. And I'm from the South. Oh no. I forgot there's something in the oven. I forgot I left those in the oven. Don't do that, okay? Don't be like me and do that.
spot of her like
Okay, so the jalapeno cornbread is done, and baby, it looks so good. So that's the cornbread, and then over here we've got the chili. Let me just stir it up for you. I need a spoon. Look at that. Yes. So good. So good. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of All About Beauty with Lady B. I hope you enjoyed my Halloween / fall decor episode, and I also hope that you liked the chili that I made with the jalapeno cornbread. If you want the recipe, I'm going to link it below. Please, please, please make sure that you like, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification button so that you never miss an upload from me. And if you want more videos like this, like home decor and stuff, just let me know. I want to hear from you guys, so comment below. Please excuse my shirt. This is what happens when you cook without an apron. But I really, really, really like to cook, so I think I'm gonna have more videos of like me cooking, and I'm gonna incorporate some stuff with me in Paris cooking as well. But there's one more thing that I wanted to say. So this video was more of like Halloween and fall decor. After Halloween is over, I'll definitely, like, I have so much fall decor, you guys. It's like just as much, I have just as much fall decor as I do Christmas decor. So I'll probably do another like home/fall decor video if you want to see it. But just let me know. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye!
I'm calling.